Ruth Jimmy Sky, together with the president of Sports in Unity State and my sister from Kampala, Uganda. And we are here to come and send a very simple and love message to the people of South Sudan. And the message is going to: education without sports cannot go. All these things, we need all of these things as South Sudanese. So I'm telling parents, please in life, make sure you expose your children to different environments. You see, you bring your children from South Sudan, you take them to Uganda, take them to Kenya, you take them all over the world. So trust that, exposing them to those environments. There's a lot of things. It removes stress when children go and play. It's a lot of things that we as youth, we as teenagers, that we get when we are together than when we are keeping us at home. What one truth is, sports, support your children. Buy them even sports shoes, sports uniform. Give them that, because education alone is nothing. But education with talent combined, we will go all over the world. Just like you have seen, we have Aluel Messi in South Sudan. She's a footballer. We have the basketball team that is taking South Sudan to the world. So what I'm trying to say is, we have the talent. Let's show our talent to all the world. Thank you so much, and we love you right here from Latitude Kampala. It's a beautiful hotel. Come and visit. Thank you so much, and we love you. Thank you.